Hello and welcome to another haul slash unboxing video. Dollskill was having a Memorial Day sale, so I got some festival outfits. I'm going to So What Music Festival, which is later this month. I'm flying to Texas like exactly 3 weeks from today. By the time I post this, it'll be sooner than that, but like it's coming up so fast and I am so excited. So I'm gonna like show you guys what I got and maybe style some of it. I'm gonna try it all on. But yeah, so excited. If I can get it open. Oh my god. There we go. I got 2 outfits and a hoodie. I really hope I got the right sizes. I got 2 versions of the exact same shorts, just in different colors, but I got 2 different sizes. I never know what size I am at Dollskill. I'm always worried that their stuff is gonna run small just because like all their models are like hella skinny, and I feel like I am not actually that small, yet for some reason I still end up wearing a small somehow and sometimes an extra small. So everything I got is either a small or a medium. One pair of shorts is a small and the other pair is a medium, and I hope they fit. But, okay. First up is, what are you? This is from Club X. This is part of one of the sets. Are these the shorts? No, this is the top. Oh my god, that's so cute. I got this top. This is a size small. It's from Club X. And yeah, it's super cute. I'm probably gonna layer like a band top over it because I want to wear a Grease Carolina crop top like on the day that they perform. So there's that. And then there's matching shorts to this somewhere in here. Is that it? Yeah, that looks like it. But I love the black leather look, and also I know it's gonna be like hella hot because it's Texas. I've never been there, but I did look at the weather. So next is these shorts that came with it. They're just like really strappy and they're like that same leather material. They're really like squishy. This is like thick. And they have like a zipper in the back. So yeah, those go together. And then I also got the shorts in pink. Those were small. These are the mediums. And I will let y'all know which fits better. Oh, these are patent too. I was not expecting that. They looked a little bit different on the site. They looked more matte, but this doesn't bother me. I really like shiny patent things. These are medium. And they have like the same like straps and like lace up design. And they zip in the back. These do have some like loose strings on them. I don't know if that's manufacturing issues or like these were the last mediums, so maybe these were like a return or something. I don't know, but I can literally just trim them off. Like it's not that big of a deal. And then I've got thigh highs to match. It's probably going to be too hot for me to actually wear the thigh highs, but what I like to do for all day festivals is I'll wear like either just like shorts or a skirt and shoes and whatever with like normal socks, or I'll just wear fishnets. And then I like to put the thigh highs in my bag because typically when the sun sets, it starts to get a little bit colder, and like these festivals go until like midnight or later. So like I'll just stick them in my bag and then put them on like once it gets cold. I got these because they match the pink shorts really well. But yeah, they're super cute. They're just like stripy, and they have, oh my god, the opening is tiny. They have like, oh, they're stretchy though. Never mind, it's fine. They have spikes on them, which I thought was like really neat. And they're actually like screwed in and like reinforced. They aren't just like glued on, so they're not gonna like fall off, which is cool. But yeah, there's those socks, and then there's a second pair of socks to go with the black shorts. but these ones are black and white. These are a lot thinner. These are like a thick, like cotton polyester type material, whereas these are like, they're kind of see-through. I don't know if you can like tell or not, but like they're pretty see-through and like thin, which does explain why the pink ones are more expensive. But these have the same like screwed in spikes, so they're not gonna fall off. They're really stretchy, and it came with one black and one striped, which I thought was neat. I like the mismatched look a lot. And then to go with those socks, I am so excited about this. This is a hoodie from their like MySpace themed line, but like this reminds me, I don't know if you remember the old like Cupcake Cult hoodies that had like the ears and like all of the stuff on them. That's exactly what this reminds me of. It has like this adorable little like skull and crossbone on the front with heart eyes and like the striped sleeves. Oh my god, I don't have to cut thumb holes. It came with thumb holes. Amazing. It has like these cute little like lace trim ears on them and like a bow, and yeah, I just thought this was the cutest little thing ever. And then it also just came with like a free little like mini purse, which I actually have one of these already, but I like to use them for like jewelry and stuff when I travel. I'll just like throw all of my bracelets in here and like stick it in my suitcase because it's a good size for that. But yeah, I'm gonna try these on and style them and show you guys. One second. So this is outfit number 1. Sorry, I like tried to set up my mirror on my bed so you guys can actually like see it. It's cute. I like it. I do have a few complaints. Like for one, I realized that I ordered pasties to wear with this, and they weren't in the box. So I just like emailed customer service. So hopefully they'll send them to me. Also, I got rid of the lacing in this. I started putting them on and then just immediately took the lacing off because I didn't like it. But like other than that, like this is pretty comfy. Like obviously it's like patent, so I'm gonna need to like break into it. And like this fits me just fine as long as I wear them high-waisted. They actually like make my waist look really good, which is cool. But since I have to wear them so high-waisted, they're kind of like tight in the crotch area. But like that'll stretch out like as long as I wear them more. But yeah, that is the outfit.
Set my heart afire. Yeah.
Oh, also, I was kind of surprised that the small did fit over my boobs. I am a 30H or a 32G, like depending on the brand. Granted, I had to like unlace it pretty far, but like it does fit. It's not like tight or uncomfortable or anything. So that's cool. But yeah, okay, next outfit. So here is outfit number 2. This one's also super cute with like the pink and black, which are my 2 favorite colors. I don't understand the sizing for these shorts at all because these are a medium. The butt is not any bigger than it was in the small. However, these straps are way too big on my waist, like these top 2, and they keep just like sliding down, which is really frustrating. So I'm gonna have to alter these for sure. But like these socks are super cute. I keep stabbing myself with them. That sucks, but they look really cute, and also they're spiky, so it's like I kind of expected that. And then this hoodie is just adorable. I didn't notice until I was putting it on, but like the zipper is a coffin. So yeah, that's like extra adorable. The sleeves are nice and long, so like the thumb holes aren't like cutting off my circulation. I haven't put on the hood because I teased my hair today and I don't want to mess it up. But the hood is there, the hood is cute, everything is stripy. And yeah, that is it. Probably gonna make a separate video of like the full outfits because I didn't put on like my fishnets or anything. And I still need to get like new shoes or figure out which ones I'm wearing. But yeah, I hope you liked the video, and the awkward ending. Okay, bye.